Welcome to the solutions video for homework assignment 6.04, number 1. So in this case, I already have the provided diagram set up. We are doing questions 1, 2, and 3 from page 32 of our textbook. Here we need to find the set A union B, at least that's one of the 4 sets we have. Looking at A and B, B seems to be all the numbers from 0 to 10. A seems to be the even numbers from negative 10 to positive 10. So the union would be all of those. Negative 10, negative 8, negative 6, negative 4, negative 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now the number of elements in A union B, so we have 11 in B. So there's 11 numbers from 0 to 10, plus 5 more, that would be 16. Now A intersect B, that's just what's in the overlap, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And then part D is the number of elements in A intersect B, which is 6. So that concludes question 1. Question 2, animals that are native to the tundra include the Arctic fox, caribou, ermine, grizzly bear, muskox, and polar bear. The taiga ecosystem south of the tundra consists primarily of coniferous forest. Animals include the bald eagle, Canadian lynx, gray wolf, grizzly bear, long-haired owl, and wolverine. So we need to find the union and intersection of these 2 sets of animals. So we will make our template of the Venn diagram with just 2 nodes here. All right. So we have the Arctic fox is in the tundra. And out here we're going to have the taiga. So the Arctic fox is in just this one, as is the caribou. The ermine, thankfully they did alphabetize these, makes it easier to check. The grizzly bear is in both. Now the muskox, and then the polar bear. And the taiga will have the bald eagle, the Canadian lynx, the gray wolf. It also has the grizzly bear, the long-eared owl, and wolverines that are not played by Hugh Jackman. So the union of the 2 sets is everything we see here: Arctic fox, caribou, ermine, muskox, polar bear, grizzly bear, bald eagle, Canadian lynx, gray wolf, long-eared owl, and wolverine. And the intersection is just the grizzly bear. Part B is to draw the Venn diagram that we drew to help with part A. Now, question 3. Consider the following 2 sets. Part B is going to be draw the Venn diagram, but we will do that right off the bat to help with part A. So our 2 sets are A and C. So the set A here are the even numbers from negative 10 to 10, and set C appear to be the even numbers from 2 to 16. So we have negative 10, negative 8, negative 6, negative 4, -2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. So now we have to find A union C, and that's all the even numbers from -10 to 16. For completeness, we will write it out. We have to find the number of elements in A union C. That's these 3 plus these 5 for 8, plus these 6. That's 14. We have to find the intersection. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And the number of elements in that intersection, which is 5. And then part C is draw a Venn diagram to represent these two sets, which we did in the process of doing part A.